Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So integrate this by substitution. So there are two ways of making the substitution. One is this way, and the other one's this way. So do both ways, and then decide which one you prefer. Okay, so integrate this. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so let's look at the first method. So the first method would be to make u equals the first method would be to make u equals this whole thing here. Okay, so let's u equals this bit here. So if you cube from here, if you cube both sides, then that would then take you to here, and then differentiate it. So differentiate this. So so from here, that will then take you to here, and then now put this back into here. Okay, so this, and also remember that looking at this, if you want to get x on its own, you would rearrange this. So here you would get u to the power 3, take away 4, that will leave you x. So we can then put it into here. Okay, and then don't forget this whole thing here would be u. So this whole thing here will become this. Okay, so if you look at this bit here, it's really us rearranging this, and then this bit here is us putting it into the dx here. Okay, and then this whole block here is this u here. Okay, so from here, that will then take us to here, and then now just follow our normal routine. This is a constant, take it out, merge this with this, that will then give you this, and then multiply this out, that will then give you this, and then now integrate, that will then give you this, and then don't forget we made u to be this, so now we can just put it back into the u here, so that will then give us this, and then tidy up, and it remember, you can visualize this as x to the power of 4 to the power of, well, cube root is to the power of a third, and then later on you got to power it to the 7 here, so that will be this times this, that will then give you this. Okay, so from here, that will then take you to here. So this here is your final answer. And now let's look at the second method. So the second method would be for us to make, so we are trying to integrate this here. Earlier we made this whole thing here to be u. So now we are going to look at just making this to be u. So let u equals this thing here. Okay. So if u equals this thing here, then du equals this, and then now we can follow our normal routine. So looking at this here, we can look at this and rearrange this to make x a subject. So looking at this, make x a subject and then put it back into here. So that will then give you this. Okay, and don't forget we made u to be this thing here. So we can put the u into here. So it will be the cube root of the u. Okay, and then don't forget dx is du in this case here. When you make u to equal this, then du equals dx. Okay, well if you differentiate this, well anyway, put this back into here, so that will be that, and then from here visualize this as this, and now multiply this out, so that will then take you to here, and then now integrate, that will then take you to here, and then put back the u, and then overall the answer will be this. Okay.